Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we would like to introduce a new product to you, Mini Metal Air Pump. Whether you are looking for an efficient air pump solution or want to know the latest news about factory manufacturing, here is an exploration of how air pumps are manufactured together from our production factory. Let's go! First, Mini Metal Air Pumps are the first choice for many industries because of their compact size and powerful performance. Our factory produces it in large quantities. Let's take a look at the design of this Mini Metal Air Pump. It is made of high-quality metal material, sturdy and durable, easy to carry. The battery capacity is 350 mAh, with intelligent tire pressure detection and auto-stop function. Whether you use it for outdoor activities, traveling, or at home, it can easily meet your needs. Next, we will focus on the performance of this air pump. The Mini Metal Air Pump has the function of fast inflation, which can be easily switched in 4 modes: bike mode, motorcycle mode, ball mode, free adjustment mode, and 6 mouthpieces to cope with different inflation needs, which can provide enough air pressure for your tires, sports equipment, or other inflatable items in a short period of time. In addition, its noise control design makes the inflation process quieter without disturbing people around. Since with 13 years of R&D and production experience, SUNGPO has built up stable, complete professional supply chain of mold tooling, injection, silicone, battery, motor, CNC, etc. For manufacturing, our factory has advanced equipment and strict quality control system. Each Mini Metal Air Pump is rigorously tested to ensure its performance and durability. We are committed to providing our customers with high-quality products and continue to innovate to meet market demands. If you are interested in our air pumps, we welcome to partners that need one-stop services for OEM and ODM, including ID design, structure, software, and manufacturing. We will provide you with the most competitive price and high-quality after-sales service. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to our channel. Feel free to contact us for more new product information and gear recommendations. We'll see you next time.